Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. It's shop tour day. So, hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us, stay up to date on cool videos like this. Grab a cold one. We're going to take a walk around the shop, show you what's going on in here this week. It's the end of the day. I came out, I was like, man, there's a lot of cool stuff in here. Let's take a look. We have a lot of Coyote Swaps going on. A lot of their vehicles that are finished or not finished. We're going to go take a look. I have Doug with me. Let's walk over here. First vehicle. Now I'm going to do a long video on this right here, but it's like a little short preview. 67 Mustang with a Gen 2 Coyote, Roush TVS supercharger, 6R80 transmission. This car is going to turn out awesome. It's probably like 99% finished. So stick around on future videos. I will do a full video on this right here, but let's say you have something old that you want to do a Coyote swap in. This is what we do in here all the time. But I think the Gen 2 Coyote with the Roush TVS in this car is going to be sick. So that's it right there. Let's go on and see the next one. Hey, 3-valve Mustang. This Mustang's been around. I have an old video on this car right here. But Doug, check it out. This thing came in for maintenance. So a lot of cars you might see in our videos, you know, you see the video, the car's finished, but they come back. Maybe they want another part, maybe they want some maintenance. This thing's clean. So we have a built engine, Roush TVS supercharger. It's ported. It's called a Hurricane. So if you have a 3-valve Mustang, you have an 1114 Mustang, you want a little bit more power, and you want to do some porting on the blower, we do have a Hurricane option on this that actually is an intercooled supercharger, and we intercool the snout as well to help create more power. That's a sweet setup. Behind me right here, this thing's going to be awesome. Come over here. Just got dropped off, 70 F100. Doug, just take a minute and let's look at this. I'm going to say what we're going to do. But 3 on the tree, super clean truck. I could drive this truck just like it sits right now. It's got the old carb 302 in it, but that's not going to be in there for much longer. So we're going to be doing a Gen 3 Coyote swap with a 10-speed automatic transmission. So if you don't know what that is, let's say you go out and you buy a 2020 Mustang right now. You get the Gen 3 Coyote, you get a 10-speed automatic. That's what you pick. That's what we're putting in this right here. Now, it's not as simple as just putting it in. There's a lot of suspension we have to do this. We're going to do some new wheels and tires. You're talking fuel system, all the electronics, do some work to the dash to make everything, you know, all your gauges, everything function. But this truck is going to be awesome. Probably one of my most favorite vehicles in here right now. Look at that, Doug, right there. Hey, the wheels we're going to do on this. So when this got dropped off, I made a comment. I'm like, hey, I really love the wheels on this. And I would love this truck to stay looking just like it does right now. So George is scoring some custom wheels for this. They're going to look very similar. It's going to look like a steel wheel. So it's going to look very similar. They're going to be larger, so we can put some big brakes on it. But this is going to be awesome. Now, I know you know we do a lot of Mustangs, F150s, but we do a lot of other things too. I have a Zl1 Camaro right here. You might have saw this in an old video where we did a Whipple supercharger, but we just did a set of cylinder heads. We used Lingenfelter. Something cool about Lingenfelter is when I was a kid, and I used to read Carcraft magazine. That was a magazine out way back in the day. Lingenfelter was a very popular Corvette company. They're only about an hour from us. So we used Lingenfelter to port the cylinder heads on this. We did a camshaft, up the boost on the Whipple. So this car is going to turn out really, really good. It's been running the Whipple for a while, but we'll probably do a video on it once we get this thing all finished. Check that out right there, Denali. So a lot of you are watching this video are like, why, you know, you're a Mustang shop. Why are these vehicles in here? Well, you need to understand a lot of our clients have maybe a Mustang, then maybe they have a Corvette, or maybe they have a friend, which is what goes on a lot around here, but then maybe they have a Mustang or a Ford, and then they have a friend that has something else, and they're like, hey, could you do that for us? Yeah, we can do it. Check this out. 6-inch lift by BDX. BDS lift on this. No, sorry, I said BDX. BDS lift. 6-inch. This truck is tall. So he has a bunch of cool vehicles, and he wanted something that was going to be a really awesome daily driver. But under the hood is what's important. So we did a set of long tube headers, Lingenfelter ported cylinder heads, camshaft, Whipple supercharger. It's not finished yet. All right, we're probably about 90% finished on this. We just got to button up everything in the engine compartment, get the tuning finished, but this truck is going to turn out awesome. So, you know, you want a really cool daily driver, this will right here be for you. over here is my car. Let's check this out. No one's really seen this. So I used a cool website called Carvana. I don't know if you've heard of it, but that's a 19 GT convertible. And I did the Roush supercharger, stainless power long tube headers. You're gonna see some videos coming out on this car. I have my Race Star wheels on it. But I thought that was really neat. Carvana's a cool website. So I literally got on their website. You know, it's COVID right now. No one's going in any place. I picked out what I wanted. And then I said, I want to buy it. Money came out of the bank account. The transport came. The car got delivered. You get 7 days to say you don't want it or not. That was amazing to me. Drove all around, said, yeah, I want it. They mailed me all the paperwork for the car. And they even mailed me my license plate and registration. I never had to go to the license branch. So, you know, hey, this is not a Carvana sponsored video, but I could not believe how easy it was to do that right there. So yeah, we put the Roush on it. Phase 2, 750 horsepower. Doug, take a look. Intercooled supercharger. Yeah, I'll tell you what, top down, the 10-speed auto in this car feels so fast, a lot of fun. Can't wait to show you guys some videos on this in the future on how it performs at the track and on the dyno, as well as the long tube headers. I'll probably do some more mods. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do yet, but right now it's just a drive shaft loop, some wheels, blower, and headers. Over here, Coyote Swap. Check this out. So, 3-valve Mustang it looks like. Follow me, Doug. Another convertible. So 2 convertibles in a row. But look under here. So we have 3-valve Mustang running a Gen 3 Coyote. The same Roush supercharger I just showed you on the other car on this one right here. But we are not running the 10-speed auto. Like the F100 is going to run the 10-speed auto. We put a Magnum transmission in this car. So this is going to be really awesome. You know, some of you doing Coyote Swaps out there, you maybe want a manual. Fine, we can do that. There's some different transmission options. This one's getting the Magnum. I like, in my convertible, I like having the automatic. But certain days, certain cars, I like having a manual transmission. And this is probably, I think I want to say we're 85% done. We're still cleaning up the engine compartment. We have some tuning to do on it. But all in all, maybe 90%. This thing is very close to being finished. When you do a Coyote Swap like this, a lot of people are like, hey man, I can do that for like, you know, 10 or 15 grand. I mean, you're talking a brand new Gen 3 engine, a brand new transmission, and just a computer and harness. You're way more money in that. And we're adding a supercharger, return style fuel system, all the other little stuff to make it work. You know, you got to get it installed. You need some exhaust in the car, suspension, as well as you want the dash to work. That takes a lot of work, but you know, we can do that here. So if you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment. If you like Coyote Swaps, check out our website, Brenspeed.com. Leave a comment about maybe what you have, and I'd be happy to answer. You can email quote@Brenspeed.com and say, hey, what's my vehicle cost to get built? Here at Brenspeed, we do all kinds of vehicles, mostly Mustangs and F-150s, but you'll see Dodges in here. You'll see, obviously, you saw Denali, you saw Zl1 over there. We love that stuff. Anything that's fun to build, we love to do. So check out our website, Brenspeed.com. Again, like I said, leave that comment, email quote@Brenspeed.com. Thanks for watching the tour. Have a good one.